Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is decorate my cart. And if you all remember, yesterday this cart was orange and I went in and I painted it yellow. So I brought it up here on the balcony and that's where it's gonna stay. But what we're gonna do today is go ahead and decorate it. Now, as you remember, I did get this pineapple also yesterday, and it was like a blue, and I went in and painted it white. So we're gonna put it here on top, and we're gonna go in. I'll show you all the items I have here. I have a couple of flowers, glasses, a decanter, and some glasses to go on top. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the 4 glasses and place them around the top. We're just gonna space them out a little bit. And I have 4 of these that I purchased from Goodwill. So we're gonna place those around the top. Then we're gonna go to the bottom and we're gonna take the decanter and put it here in the middle. So we have it like this on the top. We're gonna put the decanter in the middle. On each side of the decanter, we're gonna place one of the little flowers. Then we'll go over and place one on the other side here. So as you can see in the back, we have the 2 flowers and the decanter. I also picked up these glasses with the lemons from Goodwill. They were $49 each. And we just gonna place them around the bottom. And so there you have it. It's painted and now it's decorated. And we're gonna put it here on the balcony. I will be doing a full video of the balcony makeover, but this is one of the additions. And as you all know, I purchased this from Goodwill for $5.99. I painted it yellow and alive with the pineapple. I paid $2.99 for it. It was regular $29. I painted it white. So this was really a great buy. I'm loving the way it turned out. And as I said, I will be doing the full balcony video later this afternoon. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Decorate Your Cart. And if you're not a part of the family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'll see you in my next video.